How do I prepare to exam in a short time? Organize your study space and use flowchart and diagrams. Dispose of any clutter you have on your table. Make sure that the light is right, your chair is cozy, and you have enough free air. Write down subjects and topics that you are unfamiliar with. You're going to try and learn everything in one night by reading your study materials over and over again. Get help with anything you still don't understand. Every time you feel lost and can't find the starting point, turn to one of the professionals. Review your notes regularly and keep the content fresh in your mind. Scan the whole test space to get an idea of what concepts you will need.